What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop to a monitor. As you can see, I have a huge monitor over my head, and in order to connect this you want to go ahead and use, for example, a HDMI cable. I have a HDMI cable right here. I want to find the HDMI port on the computer, which is right here to the left side, and I'm going to just simply plug that in. Once I plug that in, you will notice that on the screen it will dim, and it will also pop up on the left side where it will detect the monitor, as you can see right there. Now this is detected. Now I want to mention to you that in case you want to extend the screen, in case it duplicates for some reason, you want to go ahead and ensure that you right click on the desktop. I'm going to show you. I'm going to right click, and then you want to go to display settings. While inside the display settings, you will need to go ahead and change, for example, the extend. It may say duplicate in your case. It may show something like duplicate the screen. And so you want to change this to extend the display. Once you extend the display, you may need to rearrange. And in case you don't know which is which, I recommend that you click the identify, which is right here. And it's going to bring up the number of which monitor is which. Once you click on identifying which monitor is which, as you can see, this one over here is number 2, while this one is number 1. What you can do is go ahead and move these around as you wish. So if I want number 2 here, I can leave it here. If I want number 1 here, I can do it. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and adjust those monitors. Once you have it the way you want it, simply click on apply, and that's it. So that's how you can easily go ahead and connect your monitors to an external display using HDMI, and then arrange them to the way you want. And that's it, guys.